4 ways to see trending sounds on Instagram. While posting a reel. When you're uploading a reel, tap on the audio icon. Right there, Instagram literally shows you a section of trending audio tracks. Creator dashboard. At the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Here, click on Professional Dashboard. Scroll all the way down and click on Trending Audio. Here, you can see the trending audios. Reels feed trick. Simply scroll through your Reels feed as usual. When you find a reel you like, look at the audio name at the bottom and click on it. This usually means the audio is gaining popularity. If the number is still relatively low, you may have found a trend early. Search hack. Head over to Instagram search. Type keyword like trending audio. Then switch to the audio tab. You'll discover sounds that are already gaining traction on the platform. You can also check the tags tab. Look for hashtags like trending audio alert. And that's it.